Welcome to the wonderful world of chemistry. Today, with the Chemistry of Dyes set by Mel Science, we will learn how to color a woolen thread with regular tea. Perform this experiment on a plastic tray in order to contain any possible spills. Remember to put on protective gloves and goggles before doing the experiment. To open a bottle with a reagent, push the cap and turn it. Pierce the bottle nozzle with an unfolded paper clip. For the experiment dyeing wool with tea, we will need iron sulfate, a measuring spoon, a woolen thread, a beaker, and 2 disposable cups. Prepare 2 tea bags, scissors, and boiling water in advance. Brew 2 tea bags in about 140 milliliters of boiling water. Wait for 5 minutes. Take the 2 disposable cups from the starter kit. Cut the woolen thread into halves and put them into the cups. Pour 1 big measuring spoon of iron sulfate into the first cup. Fill both cups halfway with tea. Wait for 20 minutes. Thoroughly rinse the threads with water. The thread that has been treated with iron sulfate became black, and the other thread that had only been immersed in tea turned light brown. Tea contains tannins. They react with iron ions and form complex compounds with intense dark color. Iron ions bind these complexes to the protein molecules that wool consists of. This is why the thread colored in such a way does not lose its color during rinsing. Learn more about this experiment on our Mel Chemistry website.